Dr. Jaffe, is quercetin good for health?
Well, it turns out there are many, many quercetins in nature. My colleague Jay Srimani and I have written a chapter and updated it. We're happy to send you a copy of that if you want to get into the details of flavonoids and flavonols, like and including quercetin. But I want to preach the virtue and tell you the long successes we have had with a specific quercetin dihydrate coupled with what's called OPC, orthoproanthocyanidins. OPC and quercetin dihydrate form a unique flavonoid and flavonol combination, which we have had since the late 1980s as pain guard. And when we can improve, we do. And we have also got repair guard, which includes a bit more of each of those ingredients, plus pomegranate juice, freeze-dried and evaporated to provide a certain kind of what's called ellagic acid, which also seems to be helpful in promoting repair. And from my point of view, inflammation is repair deficit. So we want to promote repair, and especially we want to promote repair with the flavonoids and flavonols, with the quercetin dihydrate and soluble OPC that makes vitamin C work better. Vitamin C is essential. Vitamin C is as important as oxygen and light in biology, according to Szent-Györgyi. So quercetin dihydrate, yes. Many other quercetins can, in larger amounts, be irritating and or mutagenic. So be careful. Quercetin dihydrate and soluble OPC, absolutely the reference standard for these essential flavonoids and flavonols that are so important in biology. They provide the color in our food. They are wondrous molecules. And of the many thousands, we highly recommend quercetin dihydrate with OPC, plus or minus the freeze-dried pomegranate juice. So may that provide you a promotion of healing, of repair, because inflammation is really repair deficit. And we want you to repair your deficits, including with quercetin dihydrate and soluble OPC, as the preferred, safer, more bioavailable, more effective. You feel better faster, and your health is promoted even more when you specifically take quercetin dihydrate and soluble OPC, plus or minus this ellagic acid. So I'm Dr. J. I'm here on behalf of Nature's Pharmacy and Nature's Alkaline Way, and I want you to know the truth about quercetin.